Gemini can help you to create quizzes in Google Classroom. So first, in your Google Classroom, you're going to go to Gemini here on the left-hand side, click the button, and you're going to see all the wonderful tools that Gemini has to offer you within your Google Classroom. And up here at the top is Generate a Quiz. So I need to put a grade level. I'm going to put 3rd grade. Number of questions, we're going to put 4 questions, and we're going to have a quiz on force and motion. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the learning objectives. Now, if I don't like these objectives, I can go in and edit this, and it says right here at the bottom that I should check it for accuracy, because you know sometimes Gemini can get it wrong. So I'm going to click the short answer for my quiz, and I'm going to go ahead and click generate, and look at this. It has built me 4 questions for my quiz right here in Gemini. Now, how am I going to get this to my students? Well, there's this export button down here. So if I click it, I can add it to the class just like it is, export it as a doc, or export it as a forms. I'm going to choose forms. That's going to be the easiest way for me to get it graded. So I'm going to go ahead and change the title of this to Force and Motion. And I'm also going to add a question, because the question is their first name and last name. So put that in there. And I don't need to make an answer key for it. I shouldn't get any points on that one. But this the other one I'm going to add an answer key to. And the answer is 4, so there's only one answer. So I'm going to mark all other answers incorrect. And I'm going to put 10 points for this one. Click done. I'm going to go to the second one, click on the answer key. This was more of an example, so I'm not going to mark all other answers incorrect. I'm going to have to check this one manually. And I'm going to add 10 points to this one as well. Click done. Alright, the next one looks like the short answer. This is going to be correct, so now all other answers are incorrect. We get 10 points, and the last one looks like it's more of an open-ended one, so I'm going to go ahead and just add the 10 points over here. Now I do want to make sure these all are required, so go back and check that, and I'm going to publish it. Get the responders link here, copy that link, go into Google Classroom. I'm going to go ahead and create the assignment. Put a title and some instructions, and click link to add this Google quiz that's in there for force and motion. Now I'm going to assign. That easy. Thanks for watching, and if you hit that subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Gemini in the classroom.